Hello students, welcome to our second episode of Hubs at Home, and it is still brought to you by the coronavirus. Again, wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm water and soap, drink lots of water, eat healthy foods, and corona will have no power with you. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how we write to show cause and effect. And we will also determine how to organize a cause and effect essay. Some of you have been doing the handouts prior to the actual lessons, and that is absolutely fine. I'm going to try to find a way of getting you marks for that because you're going above and beyond. But right now you can check your answers to two of the handouts. Okay, so a cause and effect essay. When we want to tell about a topic by describing the causes and effects of something, we write a cause and effect essay. So we could write an essay about our poor little friend the coyote. He got bonked on the head, and then his head became a pancake. So this is a cause and an effect. So writers often use signal words and phrases to help readers identify a cause and effect relationship. Some examples of these words are because, so, if then, as a result, and since. So, for example here, because. They build natural habitats in zoos because it keeps the animals healthy and happy. So, we study for a test so we don't fail. If then. If you eat lots of sweets and do little exercise, then you get fat. As a result of drinking 6 Mountain Dews a day, the boy got diabetes. Since I didn't study, I failed the math test. So you use these signal words in your introduction to show the cause and effect relationship you are going to describe. Okay, so this is one of the handouts. All you've got to do is check your answers at this point. So some of you are already done. So number 1, that's the answer right there. If your answer is close to that and makes sense, then you got it right. Okay, so keep note of number 3 because you will submit that in the Google quiz later. Okay, so the topic sentence. So in our cause and effect essays, which we are probably not going to write, we're just going to do maybe a 1-paragraph cause and effect. But if we were, the topic sentence. So the topic sentence in the first paragraph tells us the cause and effect relationship that is the topic of the whole essay. Each new paragraph tells us one part of that relationship and whether it is a cause or an effect. So in our example, these are our causes. To house these cats, most zoos create living spaces that are like the cat's habitat in the wild. And then the second paragraph here tells about that cause. And then the effect of this is it keeps the cats healthy and allows zoo visitors to learn more about the animals. And then we have, as a result, blah, 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 blah. That's our effect. So basically, 1 paragraph about the cause, 1 paragraph about the effect, and then a concluding paragraph, and you're pretty much done. So that's all we're really going to say about that. So organizing these cause and effect essays is quite simple. So write a topic sentence to fill in this organizer based on a natural zoo. So if your answers aren't exactly like this, it is fine. Don't worry. There are many different types. There are many different ways of describing the same thing. So paragraph 1, the topic sentence, this is because natural living spaces in zoos help the cat, keeps the cats healthy and allows visitors to learn more about them. Paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. So that is a very simple way of organizing a cause and effect essay. Okay, so you're going to do a little writing assignment here. So I want you to write about what are 5 things you cannot do during Ramadan. And don't worry, you will submit this in the Google quiz. Okay, so you'll get the Google quiz in the document, and please get it done.